Dear home buyers and neighbors, welcome to Frank Liu Open House. I'm the Avatar service of Frank Liu team. We're proudly presenting this beautiful home at 2718 Millbrae Way, San Jose 95121. Nestled in the highly desirable Evergreen community, this north-facing, fully remodeled home sits on a wide, quiet street with no through traffic, offering both privacy and tranquility. The bright and airy open floor plan seamlessly connects the living room, dining area, kitchen, creating a perfect space for entertaining. The home features beautiful hardwood floors, new smart washeled toilets, a brand new roof, ensuring both luxury and peace of mind. The cozy family room flows effortlessly into the common areas, enhancing warmth and functionality. Step outside to a lush backyard oasis filled with mature fruit trees, including pomegranate, lemon, orange, apple, and fig, along with vibrant rose bushes and other beautiful flowers. This serene outdoor space is perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Located in the heart of Silicon Valley, this home offers easy access to I-680 and I-101 and is mins from top employers like Google, Apple, and Tesla. Evergreen's top-rated schools, scenic parks, trails, Costco, East Ridge Mall, Evergreen Village Square, dining, a public library, community events, and excellent amenities are all within close reach. Additional include a 2-car attached garage, a serene, non-passing street, a prime location in one of the Bay Area's most desirable neighborhoods. The digital flyer, which has included the virtual tour home information, disclosure reports. If you have any questions, please contact listing agent Frank Liu at 408-828-0600 or 408-313-2688 and frank.liu1268, gmail.com. Again, thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day.